Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best Fuli Japanese Futon Mattress, a beautiful blend of traditional Japanese craftsmanship and modern convenience. If you're searching for a sleeping solution that combines comfort, portability, and space-saving design, this futon might just be what you need. The Fuli Japanese Futon Mattress is a foldable and portable floor lounger bed, also known as a shikibuton. Made in Japan with high-quality cotton on the outside, it offers a soft yet supportive surface that encourages a restful night's sleep. Measuring 79 inches by 59 inches with a thickness of 2 inches, this queen-sized futon is designed to fit perfectly on the floor, making it ideal for minimalist living or small spaces. One of the standout features of this futon is its foldable design. Unlike traditional mattresses, this futon can be easily rolled or folded up, allowing for quick storage and freeing up valuable floor space when it's not in use. This flexibility makes it perfect for daily use in compact homes or for occasional guests. Ergonomically, the futon provides excellent support, promoting proper alignment while you sleep. Its medium firmness strikes a balance that offers comfort without sacrificing support, making it suitable for adults who prefer sleeping closer to the ground. Portability is another highlight of the Fuli Japanese Futon Mattress. Weighing just 12 pounds, it's light enough to carry for travel or to move around the home as needed. Whether you want a cozy spot for lounging during the day or a convenient bed at night, this futon adapts effortlessly. To maintain the futon's quality and longevity, it's recommended to use covers or sheets, which should be washed regularly. Additionally, airing the futon in direct sunlight or using a futon dryer helps restore its fluffiness, warmth, and resilience. Occasional gentle beating removes dust and keeps the futon fresh. For storage, keep it in a dry place, and if storing for long periods, ensure it's thoroughly dried without the covers to prevent moisture buildup. The Fuli Japanese Futon Mattress brings a versatile, traditional approach to modern living. It's perfect for those who appreciate minimalist comfort, want a functional floor bed, or need a portable sleeping solution that doesn't compromise on quality. Its medium firmness, lightweight build, and easy storage make it an excellent choice for a variety of lifestyles. If you're interested in a Japanese futon that offers a blend of cultural heritage and everyday practicality, the Fuli Japanese Futon Mattress is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.